Hi all, good morning, good afternoon. Hope you are doing well. So in today class is continuation to the previous class. So on the previous class, you guys have seen how we have built one product delivery agent, okay, and also we have integrated with the Google Sheet, and also we have send the email to the customers once the order has been placed or order has been rejected. Okay, so but unfortunately, my token has expired, so I was not able to execute and showcase the executions. So that I thought to create one part 2 video where I will show you the executions, how exactly my entire workflow is going to execute, and it will create the record inside my order details. Then using these order details, my email is going to trigger to the respective customers, and it will capture the details. Okay, quickly I'll go to my workflow. So this is my workflow I have designed yesterday, 3rd of March. Then my workflow name is Product Delivery Agent Final. Okay, so if you see, this is my product delivery agent looks like. Okay, so this is the full view of my product delivery agent. I'll just recap it. Here the chart message where the customer will fill the details or ask the details. Then it will go to the agent will communicate to the chart model LLM, and it will take the help of the context details or the tools detail, which has been integrated the stock and order and FAQs. Stock will give the availability of the product. Order, it will accept the order from the user and store the order in the backend storage. And the FAQs, it will give the generic information about the product, about the product platform, blah 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 blah. Okay, so once all this thing will done, then the get row sheet is used to read the order detail from the backend or from the order sheet. Then it will check a conditions. If the order is accepted, then it will go to you know it will go to send an email to the respective customer saying that your order is accepted and thanks for placing the order, and these are the order details. If your order is rejected, if by chance you are going to reject your order, then you'll go to the respective customers and say that your order has rejected, and these are your order details. Okay, so this is so far we have designed in the previous class. Okay, so now the time to test our entire workflow. Okay, whatever so far we have been designed yesterday. Okay, so before that there is a small correction you have to do, so that I missed in the previous session. So what you have to do, you have to go to this order. Okay, double click it and you scroll down. Okay, so this one you have to add it. So how will I add it? I'll show you. Click on add column to send, and here the status you have to update. Then only the status is going to update in the Excel, right? All other detail you will going to update along with this your status to be updated, right? Then you have to just click, it will be decided by the LLM. Just you select it, so that LLM will decide it is a confirmed status or rejected status. But just you have to add it, because that I have missed, I have not added in the previous class. You have to make sure that you have to add this status. Okay, that's it. You close this. Okay, now I'll just show you my order sheet. My order sheet is blank and my mailbox is blank also. Okay, so nothing any order no email came. Okay, now I'll back to my flow and I'll go to open chart. Okay, once I'll go to open chart, let me clear the chart and I'll go to my content, my prompt. I'll copy it and I'll paste the prompt here. Okay, so try to use your token effectively so that you can save your token. So that's why I have given everything in a single go. And if you see here, I have given the content like hello, my name is Yudas, email is this, I want veg thali of 2 quantity, could you please place a order for me. Okay, then I click on run. So once I clicked on run, then immediately the user will send the message, it will go to the LLM and perform all the sequence, all the one after another other operations, and it will perform. And it will read the data, and it will also take a conditions, if it is a confirm order or if it is a reject order, so it will go it accordingly. Okay, now I'll back to the Google Sheet and see my record is entered or not. If you see here, my record is entered, and in this record, this is the unique ID. Order ID has been created, and this is the name of the customer's email ID, item and quantity, and the time, order date, and status is confirmed. So if you miss that column in the order, then it will not able to update the status in the record sheet, in the order sheet. Okay, so that's it. Then I will, last step, I'll go to my mailbox. I will see the order came or not to my mailbox. Okay, let me refresh it. Yes, excellent, my order is came, is saying that your order is confirmed. Order ID is this 3058. Let me cross check it. Yes, 3058. And if you open this, it's saying that, hi Vivdas, thank you for placing the order. Please find the below are the order detail. Order ID is this 30 ending with 3058. Customer name is this. Email ID is this. Food you have ordered this. Quantity is this. Status is confirmed. Okay, so it's excellent. So this is how you have to build your workflows by integrating with multiple applications. Okay, this is one of the example I have given. You can leverage it any of the product system. It not only the your food delivery system, that can be any product delivery systems you can implement in that way to save your times, to save your manpower also, right? So that's it for today. Thank you all. Thank you so much for watching my video.